Hello, good morning guys. So in today's video I'm going to make a quick review of an order that I got from BURGA. So basically they are selling like phone cases and stuff, and since I just got a new phone and a Samsung S20, I decided to buy some phone cases for my new phone. So I think it took about 2 weeks for the order to come, and normally it takes like 1 week or something, but because of the COVID-19 and stuff, it took a little bit longer than that. So yeah, alright, so here we go. So let me just open the package first. So I think I got like 4 phone cases, and they put them in this tissue envelope. Let me see. Okay, so here's the first one. Very nice color. I put like 2 letters on my phone case, and it's basically free, so you can customize your phone case for free, so that's awesome. Okay, so that's the first one, and that's the second one. Okay, and now let's move on to the third one and the fourth one. Okay, look at this. So pretty. The color is just beautiful. And the last one. Here we go. Okay, so what do you think? Okay, so I just decided to film with my rear camera so that you can see better maybe. So here are the 4 phone cases. The color are very vibrant, I would say. On all of them you have like a glossy finish, as you can see. So yeah, the phone cases are just really pretty, and yeah, I can't wait to try them on my new phone to see how they look like on the phone. But I think I won't be disappointed. So yeah, very pretty. So that's it for today's video. If you like my video, don't forget to put a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.